Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to blur edges in Canva. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just click on the picture. Okay, after clicking, you will see this option, Edit, on top. Just click on it. Now, on the left side, you will see this option under Effects, Blur. Just click on it. Make sure you have selected Brush. You can increase or decrease its brush size like this. Now keep the intensity at 38. You can do whatever you want. Now just brush the area you want to blur like this. As you can see, the area is blurred. That's it for the video. That's how you can blur edges in Canva. Thanks for watching.